how and what questions you should be asking your web design agency or web developer when you as a real estate agent go out to get your website done, redone, whatever. If you have an existing website, you want to get it redone. If you do not have one, you want to get it built fresh. So what exactly should you be asking your web development agency before you get up and select them, before you pay them the first payment maybe? Hello friends, welcome back to Real Estate Websites and Marketing Show with me, Savan Kumar. Here, I help you in making sure that marketing no longer remains to be a puzzle for you, technology no longer a trouble for you, and getting online and scaling online no longer a problem for you. So, today we will be talking about how and what questions you should be asking your web design agency or web developer when you as a real estate agent go out to get your website done, redone, whatever. If you have an existing website, you want to get it redone. If you do not have one, you want to get it built fresh. So what exactly should you be asking your web development agency before you get up and select them, before you pay them the first payment maybe? So what are these questions? How should you be knowing that this particular agency is the best agency for me? I'll help you with that. Since we have been working with a lot of real estate agents and brokers and have developed hundreds of websites for them, we have the questions that you should be asking any real estate agency, any web design agency that you hire. The first question that you should be asking them is, what experience do you have with real estate agency websites? How many websites they have done? What kind of websites they have done? The second question could be, what makes them unique? What makes them different? How are they different or unique from their competitors? Number third, today's web design agency are not only supposed to be technical. They do not need to be the best coders in the world. They do not need to be the best engineers in the world. But today's website agencies have to be the best marketers in the world. The websites have to be built keeping in mind the ultimate objective that any client has, that is of promoting their brand, making sales on the website, and so on. So it is not about coding, or it is not about the codes that are going inside, but it is about the purpose that the website is built for. So you need to make sure that your web design agency is not just any other technical web design agency with a lot of developers around, but also takes care of the marketing and the sales part of it. You need to hire an agency that understands the business of yours. This is really important, because 90% of the agencies that you look for or that you will get will be mostly only serving you with a web design work. So they only have coders and designers. But the problem with them is that they do not understand business. They do not understand you and your requirements. What would you be needing? So when they do not understand this, how can they deliver you a website that works for you? You will just get another website that does not work at the end of the day, and you will feel that, no man, it does not work for me. So make sure that the agency is not only comfortable with coding and the development part, but also understands the business, the marketing, the sales, everything about you. When that is sorted, talk to them about the IDX features that they have done in the past. Have they worked on IDX features? Have they worked with IDX integrations on the website? How does their IDX search thing works? So make sure that they are aware of this. Next is ability to do SEO. Well, the website that you are building, your objective is it to come up on Google. Your objective is it to connect with as many people as you can. For that, your website has to be SEO optimized. Make sure that the web development agency that is going to work on your website is giving you a mobile first design, is giving you a mobile responsive website, because 90% of the users are going to come today to your website from the mobile. So if your website is not good on mobile, it is of no use at all. The next is, because your website would be using a lot of images and videos, a lot of high quality content, you need to make sure that the web development agency uses good server, good hosting, good place to host your website, your heavy website. So these are a few questions, the very basic ones that you should be asking your web development agency, and there are a lot more that you should be actually asking, but I would be coming back with the next set of questions in my next video. And if you have any questions or any queries about what you should be looking for in a web agency, what you should not be looking for in a web agency, feel free to comment below and I'll be helping you with that. Have a good day. Bye-bye.